Achieving success on YouTube involves several key factors. Quality content. Create content that is interesting, valuable, and relevant to your target audience. Invest in good video and audio quality. Consistency. Upload content on a regular schedule. Consistency helps build an audience that anticipates your videos. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and engage with your viewers. Building a community can boost your channel's success. SEO optimization. Use relevant keywords, tags, and descriptions to help your videos appear in search results. Research popular topics in your niche. Attractive thumbnails and titles. Create eye-catching thumbnails and compelling video titles to attract viewers. Collaborate. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to tap into their audience and gain exposure. Promotion. Share your videos on social media, in relevant forums, and on your own website or blog. Analytics. Use YouTube analytics to understand your audience's preferences and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Stay informed. Keep up with YouTube's policies and trends in content creation. This helps you adapt and avoid potential issues. Patience and persistence. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see instant results. Remember that success on YouTube varies from person to person and niche to niche. What works for one content creator might not work for another. It's essential to find your unique voice and style to stand out in a crowded platform. Using YouTube for business development involves creating and optimizing a YouTube channel to reach and engage with your target audience. Here are steps to get started. Create a YouTube channel. If you don't already have one, create a YouTube channel for your business. Use a professional profile picture and cover image, and write a compelling channel description. Content strategy. Plan your content around your business goals. Create videos that provide value to your target audience. This could include tutorials, product demonstrations, industry insights, or entertaining content related to your niche. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or YouTube search bar to find relevant keywords for your niche. Incorporate these keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve discoverability. Quality production. Invest in good quality equipment and editing software to create visually appealing and well-edited videos. Ensure good audio and video quality. Consistency. Stick to a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Consistency helps build a loyal following. Engage with viewers. Respond to comments and engage with your audience. Building a community around your channel can foster brand loyalty. Promote your videos. Share your videos on your website, social media platforms, and through email marketing to increase visibility. Optimize video thumbnails. Create eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your content. This can significantly impact click-through rates. Analyze and adjust. Use YouTube analytics to track the performance of your videos. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, click-through rate, and audience retention. Adjust your content strategy based on these insights. Collaborate and network. Partner with influencers or other businesses in your niche for collaborations. This can help you reach a wider audience. Monetize. Once you've built a substantial following, consider monetization options like YouTube ads, merchandise, or affiliate marketing. Stay updated. Stay informed about YouTube's policies and best practices to ensure your channel complies with their guidelines. Remember that success on YouTube takes time and effort. It's essential to stay patient and continue refining your strategy based on audience feedback and analytics.